This video tutorial I will explain what is encryption in transit. Imagine you are sending a secret message to your friend through a messenger. You put the message inside the special box with the lock and send it through a trusted courier. The box can only be opened by your friend using the key that he has. This is similar to what happens with encryption in transit. Encryption in transit refers to the protection of information while it is being sent from one place to another place over the internet. When you send the data like messages, emails, or any other information online, it travels through different pathways like highways for cars. During this journey, there might be chances that someone could try to sneak peek at your information. So to keep your data safe while travels from your device to its destination. The destination can be a website or another person's device. So the data is put into special lock box using a complex code called encryption. This encryption turns your information into a secret code that only intended recipients knows how to unlock or decode. Just like the special box with lock and key ensures that only your friend can read your secret message. Like that, encryption in transit makes sure that even if someone tries to intercept or look at the data while it is moving around the internet, they cannot understand the data without the right key or decryption method. This helps to keep your information private and secure while it travels through the online world. Now we will see how to implement encryption in transit. Implementing encryption in transit essentially involves securing the data as it moves from one place to another place, especially over the internet. The first point is using HTTPS protocol. When you visit the websites, ensure they are using HTTPS protocol instead of HTTP protocol. Look for the pad symbol or HTTPS colon double slash in the website address bar. HTTPS protocol encrypts the data between your browser and the website, and it keeps the data secure from eavesdroppers. The second point is messaging apps with encryption. Use messaging apps that offer end-to-end encryption, such as WhatsApp, Signal, or Telegram. These apps secure your messages so that only sender and receiver can read the messages, preventing others from intercepting and understanding your conversations. The third point is secure email services. Choose email services that offer encryption option. Some email providers offer built-in encryption or allow you to use additional tools for encrypting your emails. This ensures the content of your emails remain private while in transit. Fourth point is virtual private networks, which is nothing but VPN. Consider using VPN when accessing the internet, especially on public Wi-Fi networks. VPN encrypt your internet connection and it makes it difficult for others to intercept your data as it travels from your device to the websites you visit. Fifth point is secure file transfer. When sending files or using cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive, make sure they use encryption for data transfer. These services often encrypt your files during transmission, ensuring they are secure while moving from your device to the cloud servers. Sixth point is check security measures. Always check for security measures like two-factor authentication and use strong unique passwords. While not directly related to encryption in transit, but these practices enhance overall security by preventing unauthorized access to your accounts. By using HTTPS enabled websites, secure messaging apps, encrypted email services, VPNs, secure file transfer methods, and additional security measures, you are actively implementing encryption in transit. These simple steps help to protect your data as it travels across the internet, ensuring that the data remains private and secure from potential threats or unauthorized access. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.